Shanghai Blue Machinery Technology Company Limited as a scientific and technological enterprise specializing in the R&D, supplying and after-sales service of machinery. We have a lot of experience in the high-frequency welding machine, automatic medical bag manufacturing machine, ultrasonic plastic welding machine, thermoforming machine, automatic screw locking machine, and automatic assembly machine. We are striving to become a professional supplier of machinery equipment in the machinery industry. Dongguan Blue Automation Machinery Company Limited as our invested associate factory. We have CNC machines, cutting machines, miller machines, welding machines in the associated factory. At present, our company is mainly engaged in high-frequency welding machine, automatic medical bag production line for drainage bag, urine bag, blood bag, IV infusion bag, colostomy bag, automatic assembly line, automatic lock screw machine, thermoforming machine, ultrasonic plastic welding machine, soft bag filling machine, packing machine, filling machine, and other industrial equipment. Our machine hot sell in Asia, Mideast, Europe, Africa, America. Our main customers from Russia, Turkey, India, Egypt, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Tunisia, Algeria, USA, UK. Realize industrial automation, create value for customers, reduce the cost of human resources, and provide high-quality machinery. It is our company's business management concept of sustainable development. We always focus in automatic solutions that meet customer needs, advanced design concepts, and excellent product quality. Welcome friends from all over the world visit us, guide and negotiate business.